So now guys, we're doing our le recette des Belgian waffle. Gaufre belge. Tu veux soin de l'huile? Huile d'olive ou huile végétale?
Huile végétale.
Végétale, je recherche. Maintenant, mon mari a mesuré l'huile végétale. My husband measured cooking oil. Actually, in this recipe, we need deux tasses de lait tiède, un demi-tasse d'huile végétale, 3 tasses de farine toute sage, 2 cuillères à table de sucre, 1 cuillère à thé levure instantanée, 1 cuillère à thé de sel et 2 œufs. En anglais, 2 cups of milk, 1/2 cup of oil, 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of yeast, instant yeast, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 eggs. You will mix all of that. Après ça, tu vas mélanger tout et mettre dans le frigo tout le soir. Puis tu vas cuisiner demain matin. So after this one, you will mix it all and you will cook. Put in the ref overnight, and then we will cook that one in the waffle maker tomorrow morning. I will show you that one tomorrow morning, guys. So now, guys, les amis, notre belge, c'est comme ça, on a mis dans le frigo hier soir, puis voilà. Puis tu laisses, you will let it out and let rest for 1 hour outside, and then now it's already 1 hour, and then we will cook here in the waffle maker. Et maintenant, notre tu laisses dehors pendant 1 heure avant cuisiner. Avant de mettre dans le waffle maker. Ouais. Mais c'est pas encore prêt. Soit ici. We will wait when it's light. The light is green, and then we put. So it's green already. Now c'est déjà vert. On va mettre notre. So I put there already. I will do the another one. And then we turn it. So now it's red, green already. Now it déjà tourné vert, mais c'est pas encore noir ça. C'est pas encore doré. See, it's all white. It's not yet encore golden brown. We will see. Just turn. Oh, correct. So, can you with 2 spoons? It's like a bread, a Belgian waffle. I think 2 is enough. 2 spoons, and then you spread. Comme ça, là. Right. Then we cover, and then we flip. We will wait until it's turned into green. See, on prepare notre crème fouettée. Wow. You see, golden brown. think it's so. How many you want, honey? Do kamsa. My husband wants to eat that one, so I will do another one, and then we can. After that, there's a lot. Ilya angko buko umbamet dam frigo. The rest is correct at dumay ano. See, this is one is the whipping cream. So now we're keeping it. So this is ready already. Yeah. So it's like that, guys. We're doing with our waffle. The whipping cream, Nutella here. Can you do also for me, honey? S'il te plaît. I let my husband do for me. I want to put some bananas.
You put, not me.
Yeah, you don't want to eat banana?
No.
Plus that one. This is the frozen raspberry. I did not make it a jam. I just let it defrost like that. Because we eat that one with the quinoa chocolate cake the other day. And then the whipping cream. Ta-da!
The whipping cream is pink because I put the sauce of that raspberry.
Like that is my jam. Our Belgian waffle. Yay! It's yummy, huh? It's really yummy. So I have another. Put the bananas there. Well, guys, I hope you will do our Belgian waffle recipe.
It's the best one.
It's the best one. And it's my husband who prepared it yesterday. Now let's do mukbang. You know what's mukbang, honey?
No.
Mukbang is eating in front of the camera, and then you put it there in social media. No, I'm not putting it here. Okay, guys, thank you for watching, and please subscribe, comments, share, and hit the bell button. Thank you so much. God bless us all. Bye bye.